Hey, how's it going out there, everybody? Gun Psychiatrist here with another Fusion 360 tutorial video. And in this video, we're going to show you the thread feature, which you kind of saw that in the previous video if you've been following along where we did the whole features, but this is not necessarily going to be a hole. We're going to actually make a thread on an external object. So what we'll do to get kicked off here, start with a new Fusion design file. We are going to start with a sketch. So let's go ahead and make an extrusion. We're going to make a deal. Let's call this 0.5. Okay. In a sketch, we're going to extrude it. Let's go up 6.5 inches. Here, we're going to make another extrusion. First, we need to start with a polygon. I know it's not necessarily a polygon, but call that 0.5. Go like this. We're going to add a circle in here. I think we add it right here on the top of this bowl head. We're going to extrude this up, this and this. We're going to go up 0.325. Now we need to extrude, and we want to go ahead and grab this here. And we're going to go from object, click on this, and we're going to do an intersection. Let's call that 60 degrees. No, let's go to 30. Okay, that's better. 35? Yeah, I like 35. Let's just go ahead and extrude this down. I did something backwards here, but just in the interest of time, let's call that 4 inches. I'll just re-extrude that back. Okay, so we have a bolt. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take these threads right here, and we're going to click on that. 1/2 inch, 1/2 by 12. Let's call it 1/2 by 18. We can adjust it, automatically picked up our thread size, and we're going to do molded. And
that's it.
And then
we want to create a chamfer right here, 0.0625. Okay. Now let's do it. Okay, that's much better. So that was a thread feature in Fusion 360. I hope you found this video informative. And if you did, please do like, subscribe, and leave me a comment below. Again, I'm the Gun Psychiatrist signing off. Until next time, and God bless America.